Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on time series analysis using Java. In this video, we will cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, providing you with a solid foundation in analyzing temporal data. We'll be using powerful libraries and frameworks that will help you extract meaningful insights from time series datasets. First, let's start by understanding what time series data is. Time series data is a sequence of data points sampled at successive points in time. It's used extensively in various fields such as finance, economics, and environmental science. Before we get into analysis, we'll need to set up our Java environment. Ensure you have Java Development Kit installed on your computer, and you'll also need an integrated development environment like IntelliJ IDEA. Let's create a new Maven project. Next, let's edit our pom.xml file to include necessary dependencies. For time series analysis, we will leverage libraries, including Apache Commons Math and JFreeChart to help us with calculations and visualizations. Let's create a simple data structure to store our time series data points. We'll represent each data point with a class that contains the timestamp and the value associated with that timestamp. Now that we have our data structure, let's create a method to generate some sample time series data. Our sample data will consist of a series of random numbers generated every hour for a week. Let's visualize the generated data using JFreeChart. To start, we need to convert our data points into a format that JFreeChart understands. We'll create a dataset and populate it with our time series data. Now, let's create a function to display the chart. This chart will illustrate our time series data visually, giving us immediate insights into trends over time. Now we have generated our sample data, created a dataset, and built a chart. Let's put everything together in our main method. Here's how it looks. With our simple time series chart up and running, let's talk about some analytical techniques we can apply to our data. One common method in time series analysis is calculating moving averages. We'll visualize the moving average data just like we did with our original dataset. First, we need to update our dataset creation method to include the moving average. Let's incorporate our moving average dataset into our main chart display method. Alright, let's move on to a more advanced technique. Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average, ARIMA. ARIMA is a popular method for forecasting time series data. For this, we will use the Apache Commons Math library to help us model our data. Fitting an ARIMA model requires us to determine the optimal parameters, P, D, Q. We'll discuss techniques like the AICA Information Criterion, AIC, for model selection. Implementing ARIMA requires a deeper understanding, and we encourage you to explore statistical literature for more information. You can also delve deeper into seasonal analysis and decomposition of time series data, where we explore trends, seasonality, and irregular components. Libraries like Seasonal Decompose can be helpful. We've covered a lot today. We started from the basics of time series data and worked our way up to advanced techniques like moving averages and ARIMA. Remember, mastering time series analysis takes practice and patience. In the next video, we will explore another fascinating topic in data analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments and questions below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.